installing some LEDs, replacement of factory signal on a Ducati.
Just hiding some down by the headlights.
And we're using the current plug from the original OEM, and then Jeremy will be attaching it to the replacements, just to make it a little easier.
But not only that, then it doesn't cut off your factory harness.
Exactly.
And you could always go back to factory turn signals without having a problem.
Yes. He has the technology. To give you an idea, his workbench, look at this crazy mobile.
Crazy mobile.
Look at that bad boy.
Oh, my little tiny RC.
Yeah, that's tiny.
That's cool.
The CO2 solderer.
Butane.
Or is it butane?
Butane. Lighter fluid. Heat shrink tube in here.
He shrink everything. That's the
Yes.
best way to do it.
Especially on a motorcycle.
Yes.
When it's in the weather,
Yep.
heat shrink. If you don't heat shrink, you're gonna have problems down the road.
Yes.
Because unfortunately, wire is copper. Copper corrodes. And then life sucks.
Yeah, we were gonna do these bar end signals, but they're way too weak.
Kind of cheesy looking too.
Yeah, they are a little chintzy.